there anything this politico can't do? After showing his skills in handling a gun and archery, actor turned Ormoc City Mayor Richard Goma showed his pilot training is far from rusty. He went on a helicopter ride above Leyte. Gomez was accompanied by two friends. One of them was Archie Poe. Poe is a billionaire who also owns Lionair Incorporated. He's the same guy that lent his fleet to President Rodrigo Duterte during his 2016 presidential campaign.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.